Hey guys, RLC321 Fantastic Plastic coming back again with another model kit unboxing future build video for you. We have today something quite nice, something quite special. Let me extend the camera up a bit. Let's just do this. We go up. There we go. Come on, get. There we go. That's it. Stay. No, let's turn you around a bit. Make it straighter. There we go. Mobius models U.S.S. Franklin from Star Trek Beyond. It's a 1/350 scale kit. I got this for $39.99. Yes, right, you heard me. Most other places, £60, £70 upwards. $39.99 because there was a slight damage to the box. And I'll be 100% honest with you. I'll be buggered if I could find any slight damage to the box whatsoever. It was a damaged box. I got it at a pretty much discounted rate, so I'm not complaining. No. Anyway, U.S.S. Franklin in the box. We put that to the side for now. We'll talk about that in a minute. Put that over there. In the box, you get a set of decals. You get two sets of decals. One is for when it's like brand new, so you can make it like fresh, clean, out of the box, out of the shipyard, brand new, nice and sparkling. Or you can make it weathered, so they're giving you a set of weathered decals. There isn't a lot of decals on this thing though, which I find is very strange. You have your instruction sheet, and I don't know if anyone's. This is the first time I've ever done a Mobius model, by the way. I never tried any of their kits whatsoever, so I don't know how good they're gonna be. But this is one of their instructions and how to put things together and everything. And yes, I am going to be lighting this kit. Of course I'm going to be lighting it. You ain't going to buy a kit without lighting it. Now, a 1/350 scale, luckily, it's not as big as the Enterprise, the 1/350 refit. Thank goodness for that. And you've got some colour guides here on how to make it look a bit weathered and everything like that, which I don't know if you can see too well on here because of the stupid lights and everything. And it has some decal placement and things like that there, and how to paint it and everything like that. So not too bad at all. So one of the baggies, we have what looks to be the nacelles. The detail looks quite good on it as well. I can't see any flash. Let's open one of these up. Let's open one of these up, shall we? Have a little look-see. Have a little look-see. Right, let's take one of these out. There we go. Get off. No, get off. Thank you. Right, so let's have a closer look. It's got some very, I don't know if you can see. Where am I? No, over there. No, where there. That's it. Is that the one? Yeah, right there. I don't know if you can see. No, you can't, but there is some very, very fine detail on it. I say detail, it's more like how can I put it? Very, very slightly raised. The whole model kit actually is almost like that, where it's got very slight lumps and bumps in it, but it's not. It's literally minuscule. It's very difficult to say what it is, but the detail on this looks really, really nice. It's going to be interesting putting this together. I'm guessing this is the fan things or something like that on for the front of the Bassard collectors here. Let's see. Then you got some more of the nacelle parts in there. Okay. We've got one part all on its own, which I'm guessing is the could possibly be the impulse engine or the photon torpedo tube, not too sure. Got some clear parts, lots of clear windows and everything like that on here, and there's some more of the bizarre collectors there, parts of the bridge. Again, windows, no idea, and I'm guessing these are for the nacelles as well, and no idea. Then we got, let's open this bag up, shall we? We'll have a look at a couple of bits. Open Sesame. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Get out of there. Just get out of there. There we go. Thank you. So it looks like we've got some parts here. This is going to be for the pylons, looks like. Yep, looks like for pylons and part of the stand and some more other bits and pieces. This here is a nice little stand for it, which looks really nice. I'm going to have it right in the middle though, so they do give something that you can put on here that's a star shape like this, so it'll disguise that. So I'm going to have the model right dead center in here, and I could use these here as the buttons to turn things on and off with, so that's going to be interesting. Here we have the lower saucer section, again with the pylons already attached, and this is a 1/350 scale. There's my hand, compared to the other 1/350 scale, which is the size of a house. The detail on this is really good. You've got your thrusters here, which we're going to light up with flickering LEDs, and I'm going to make sure with the flickering LEDs that I'm going to put them in a series so they're all flickering at the same rate, not all different and things like that, because they're supposed to be thrusters, you know, when it was coming off the ground and it was doing that kind of thing. Yeah, that. So yeah, that's looking pretty good. And then obviously we've got the top saucer section right there. As you can see, some really nice detail in there. And I think I may have to, I don't know if there's any windows on here that may need to be drilled out. Not 100% sure. But I'll have to force myself and watch the movie again. I'll have to. And that means having to force Her Highness to watch the movie again as well, but she probably won't like it much. Hello? Hello? So, yeah, it's a really good kit, and it looks like it's kind of, because it's a snap fit kit as well, it looks like. Because it's got little grooves and things that things fit into place on right there. There we go. That's obviously without the windows in place, but that's pretty much how it's going to go on. That's interesting. That's a different way of putting things together, I have to say. But yeah, so not only did I get that, I also purchased of the Paragrafix. Let me put this back. Hang on, let's put all this back first of all. You get there, you get there, that goes there, and that goes there, that goes there. Let's just plug this on the bed for the moment. So, also, I have purchased the Paragrafix photo etch set for it as well. Yes, indeedy. Right. So we have, with the Paragrafix set, we have. There looks like there may be additional windows, or not. No, the window's already there. So why you remove the raised thruster? I don't know. Windows on the primary hull should be round. You can either use it. Oh, it's because the windows should be round, not oval. I'm not worrying about that. Not worrying about that at all. You can use the thruster ports. You could file down the thruster port areas and lay these on there. I'm not going to bother doing that either. I'm just going to keep it as it is and just drill the holes in that. What are these? Okay. Right, I don't know what this is. Anyway, doesn't matter. And it's got, you can also use these as well, rub off the detail on the there you go, rub off the detail on the name and everything in the registry, so you can do that. And the other side is the main reason why I wanted this kit is you can make the bridge. But the bridge, the steps will light up, the lights will flow through the bridge and illuminate things, and it's going to look really, really, really nice. Isn't it? It's got a little bit of furniture in there as well that you can place in, so it's going to look absolutely freaking awesome. It really, really is, and I can't wait to build it. And this is everything that you get. You also get, you get different registry names as well. U.S.S. Reprisal, Franklin, Essex, Hornet, and the Intrepid. Obviously, we're going to go with the Franklin. This is the window masks. I'm not going to worry about those, as I said. There's the thruster ports. Again, I'm not going to worry about them. May do, may not. I don't know yet. We'll soon see. These, no idea. No idea what these are for, because it doesn't even mention it on the bits. So I could just place these somewhere on the actual thing, but this is what I wanted it for, is mainly is the bridge. So all of these sections go together to make the bridge, and then all fit into here. Then you make the seats and the chairs and everything, and some of the parts are really, 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 really tiny as well. Don't know what part number 1 is, but anyhoozle. So yeah, this is going to be fun to build, because it's going to look absolutely awesome. It really is going to look awesome. And it's yeah, and it's also got little tiny figures in, so we can put them in the windows and everything if need be. I'm not too sure about that, because I am not too sure about it. But the main reason was for the bridge, because the bridge is actually quite large, so when you light it up you can actually see quite far into the kit. So for anything else, I just wanted the bridge. Didn't need it for anything else, I just wanted it for the bridge mainly. So hence that's why we've got the bridge. Yeah, that makes sense, Rob. Of course it does. Yeah, because I know exactly what I'm talking about. But I've also got to paint it all as well. Before I close the top of the lid down, I'm going to have to paint it inside, put some crystal clear, or my own version of micro crystal clear, or the window maker thingy. What I'm going to do is mix a PVA with water and have it slightly thick but not too thick, and use that. But I'm looking at it, it's got like what looks to be like view screens on here, and if that's the case, so yeah, got view screens and that, I may see if I can download really, really tiny images just on paper and just glue them on, so it gives you the effect that there's something there. I'll obviously have to think about that. But anyway, that's the Paragrafix photo etch part for the U.S.S. Franklin. That's coming, that I've got with the kit as well. So there we go. There is the second unboxing video of the day today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna be continuing on tonight with the what's it called, the JJ prize. Finishing off the shuttle bay on the JJ prize, because that should be all dried and ready to go now. finishing off with that and doing some more bits and pieces on the client's Voyager as well. So guys, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.